What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I make tender, flaky salmon using my smoker. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 1 pound of a salmon fillet here. It still has the skin on, and I'm gonna rub it down in my homemade BBQ Rub. You can check out the description box below. It'll have all of the details and measurements. And then I rub that in to make sure that that spice penetrates the salmon. I'm gonna place that on my Traeger at 225 degrees, and I'm gonna place the meat probe in that salmon. We wanna cook it first until it reaches 120 degrees because I'm gonna rub it down with some barbecue sauce and honey along with some lemon juice. So this is just 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce, and a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Once the salmon reaches 120 degrees, I'm gonna rub that over it, and then I'm gonna allow it to continue to cook until it reaches 140 or 145 degrees. If you like your salmon more medium, you can cook it to 130 or 135. This is how it looks around 145 degrees internal temperature. So tender and delicious.